In this video, I'm going to show you how by using Inforbix, you can pull information into a virtual table and then save it for later use or reuse. And it's always automatically updated. So let's start by creating this table. And what I'm going to do is I want all particular drawings associated with a particular individual. In this case, the name is Josh. So Inforbix now gives me a table that has all particular drawings that are related to a particular individual. But what I like to do is I like to create a particular report. So what Inforbix is going to let me do, and all in the cloud by the way, is pull together the various pieces of information that are relevant to me in a particular report. So what I like to have is I like to have the image for SolidWorks drawings that are drawn by a particular individual that were last saved by another individual that's part of a particular project. Let's just drag and drop that right there. I'll put it on top. And that were approved also by a particular individual. So these are all important attributes that are important for me as part of this particular report. So I've just hit OK. And now let's see here. I've got the category, the image, the title, the drawn by, last saved, and approved by that are important to me. Now I'd like to filter these so that I can create the report that's specifically meaningful to me. You can look down here on the bottom right hand side and notice that there are almost 500 documents that fit the criteria so far for this particular table. But I want to have particular information here. So I'm going to filter. I want all the particular drawings that are part of the galley project that were last drawn by a guy named Josh, that were last saved by Wanamaker, and were approved by his boss, a guy named Hill. And it says here SolidWorks drawings. I'm going to go ahead and see and make sure that I only get SolidWorks documents and drawings. So I'm just going to take everything else off. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and filter for that. And sure enough, Inforbix returns 4 documents out of 500 that are part of the galley project that were drawn by Josh, saved by Wanamaker, and approved by Hill, and they're all SolidWorks drawings. And the nice thing now is that if I can save this table, I'm going to go ahead and save that table, and I'm going to put these are the SolidWorks drawings, if I can spell, drawings for the galley project. I'm just going to leave it that way. Save it. Now what Inforbix is going to do is it's going to save the recipe for that. So when I go back to the main screen and I see SolidWorks drawings, it's a saved table. And if I click that, I can click that today, tomorrow, the next day. And what happens is Inforbix is recreating the particular criteria for this virtual report and updating it automatically because it's pulling all the latest and greatest updated data from any source in the company where this data exists and Inforbix knows about. And if there were any updates to these particular drawings, I can be assured that I will have the latest and greatest drawings here. If any have been added or taken away, it will also be reflected. So that's the advantage of both creating a table, filtering or slicing and dicing it to create the report that you like, and then being able to save it and reusing it. Thank you.